Start, sir.
Hello, my name is Nilotpal and I came here with my mother-in-law. She needed a surgery in her ankle, and as I've been here before with my own mom, and she got a surgery done in her ankle as well. It was in 2017 or 18, and it was the other hospital but with the same doctor. And the experience with the doctor has always been great because we have seen him in Guwahati as well, and we have heard good accolades about him all throughout. The hospital is like top notch because this is the first time I've been to this unit of the hospital and this top notch facilities, and the ICU care and the doctors and everything was really great. What I feel right now needs improvement is the nursing staff needs a lot of improvement. The behavior of the nursing staff has to be really spot on because the patients and the attendants are not in a very good frame of mind all the time because you are dealing with a not so well person, right? So the nursing staff has to be very compassionate and very they should be up to they should be up to the mark. Whenever you are treating, especially in hospitality, right? When you are treating patients and attendants, you should be really polite, and that is something which I can say that this hospital or this ward needs to work on. And having said that, it's not about every nursing person which is available. It is quite. I mentioned this in the comments, and I also had a formal complaint. But having said everything, overall experience which I would rate is like 4.5 out of 10 and 4.5 out of 5. And I'll surely recommend this place or the doctor or the hospital to friends who. I'm not saying that they should need it, but if they need it, I'll definitely recommend this hospital or the doctor to other people, other friends, other family I know. Thank you.